Okay, today really quick I wanted to show you how photographers or other people that put a lot of markings on their images can do that. I don't know why that just switched on me. Okay. Can do that really kind of quickly and set that up to do it in Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 3. What you want to do is, if you're using Mac, go up to Lightroom, edit Watermarks. I have some already set up. You can do text options where you write in whatever you want here, and then you can change the font and the style and placement and all that. What I want to show you right now is image option. Choose a PNG or JPG image and click choose. Obviously, if you don't know this already, if you choose a JPG image, it's more than likely going to have a white border in it if it's not a full solid color logo or image. If it's a PNG image, it works more like a GIF in that you can see through the positive, negative space, however you want to define that for this particular type. Okay, and I am going to pick text. Let's see, maybe I want the whole. Yes, entire logo in white. And you can see a copy of it down here sort of, and it's really small. I'm not really in love with that. So what I'm going to do is go down here to the watermark effects, and I'm going to make it a little bit larger. You can also choose fit and fill, which obviously you can see the fill is going to, make the whole logo, fill up the image and go over the edge, and the fit is going to put it in there as perfectly as it can to make it look, nice and pretty. I usually don't recommend doing something like this unless I was going to make a advertisement maybe, and then I would probably take out the top part here and just use the text. But for here, I'm going to go proportional. And I'm going to trust that that's a little bit bigger than what it's looking on here. I know it will be, but still it can be hard to judge sometimes when you get these little thumbnail images. For the inset, I do like to get between 1 and 5 movements, points, whatever you want to call them, off of the edge, because if I go in the image and I decide I want to round the edges or soften the edges or do something, and then this decides it's going to be on the zero axis, it's going to be like down here even if the photo cuts through here, so it's not going to look right. You can also decide where you want to anchor it by clicking any of these 9 points. I like the bottom left, that's just me. You can rotate it if it's not situated in the way that you want it, and then you click save. And I'm going to call this entire Z logo 1, or I'm sorry, white, create. And now, when I'm ready to do whatever it is I'm done, I'm finished with my image, go to export under file, and when it has all the options here, you can pick where you want it to send, what the subfolder is, all that stuff. And the important part for the watermarking is it says watermark. You want to make sure that's checked. And then you want to check you want to pick the thing that is what you're looking for. So entire Z logo white, that's the one we just made, that's what I want. Click export and override because I don't really care. And now see on here you'll see nothing, but if you go into your Finder or search box or however you do that and you find it here, you can see there's our image and there's our lovely logo down here, and it's nice and proportional like the settings suggested. It's a decent size, it's not overtaking the photo, but it's still branding it. So I hope this has been a helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching. This has been McGann, and I'll see you in the next